Hey, Rigel. Cutie pants.
Yeah.
What's on your shirt?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. What's on your hat?
Tractor.
What is it? A tractor?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. There's Diesel. Growing up so fast. And there's that handsome fella. What's going on, Savage Fam? Rigel and I are just wandering around while Robert finishes mowing up. But we just want to give you guys a couple updates. We are spending some time around the house this weekend. We have so much stuff to catch up on. Robert's been in Brazil. He has been gone like the last 4 weekends, and he works all week. So we have not gotten a whole lot done on our house, but we're finally mowing and weed whacking and all of the things. Rigel did not wake up until 10 this morning. You sleepy? He was a sleepy boy. So he didn't wake up until 10 this morning. And so we had a late start to the morning. We all got a cup of coffee together. And then Rigel and I went to the grocery store. Robert got some work done. He had a briefing on the 50-mile march that's coming up here in a couple of weeks. We came home. Rigel took a couple-hour nap. He just woke up. We've been doing stuff around the house, cleaning up, doing some laundry, dishes, all the things. Catching up from the week, getting ahead for the next week. But we've got a cuckoo lamb. And where are you going? Shoes? We've got a crazy lamb that we've been updating Instagram and Facebook on, but we have yet to update the YouTube, so we'll have to update you guys on that in just a couple minutes.
What is going on, y'all? I just got out the shower. I've been mowing for the past several hours. It's been a chaotic day. My mower's messed up, so I gotta get that fixed at some point. But this is the first weekend I've been home in quite some time. I was in Brazil, then I was in Oregon, now I'm home. So this is a homesteading yard work weekend. I gotta catch up on a ton of mowing. I gotta weed eat. I gotta do all that fun stuff. We've had some issues with our livestock. We got some loco lamb issues, so we'll dive into that tomorrow. We're cooking dinner right now, and I am at 25,569 steps for the day. Right, because I'm getting ready for the 50-mile march. But let me show you what we got cooking real quick. You gonna have pizza tonight?
Yes.
What kind of pizza?
Kind.
Keto pizza?
Yes.
Crystal's cooking up some chicken. That's gonna be for you, I'm assuming. We got some olives. Yeah. I got me some ground beef on the skillet over there. We're doing a pound of meat and 6 eggs for me tonight. Tracking my macros, hitting 3,000 calories. Right, just got a keto pizza in the works. We'll show you the finished product there. Alright, so there's my dish. We got some eggs, 6 eggs, pound of ground beef. There's Crystal. We got some chicken. There's Rigel's pizza crust in the making.
Alright, we are truly the world's worst at vlogging right now. Okay, this morning. It's Sunday today. We went to church this morning. Robert went and helped set up. I did childcare at church. And then we came to the warehouse to work out. And so we just finished our workout. It was kind of nice to get to work out together. It is past Rigel's nap time, so he is major chaos right now. Okay, stop. He's major chaos right now. So we're about to go home and get him to take a nap. And who knows what else we're doing. We have a million things to do. There is never enough time in the day to get everything done. It is absolute chaos.
Ooh, Crystal said it right when she said we were the world's worst at vlogging. Alright, so this weekend has been chaos. Like I said, it's the first weekend I've been back in town in a while. got the whole yard mowed, so that's progress. Have not yet got it weed eated, as y'all can tell. So I gotta do that still. I gotta change oil in both the vehicles, so I gotta do that soon. But we've had a whole bunch of chaos with the sheep. I don't know if she talked about that, but one of our lambs was like laying on the ground, unresponsive pretty much, labored breathing, but there was like, he wasn't anemic. His gums and tongue were normal color, didn't have foot rot. Yeah, like it was weird. I don't know what the issue was. We had a vet come out, they gave him a vitamin B shot, and then gave him some caffeine on the vet's request. We gave him some ketones, BHB, and we just kept pumping him full of fluids, hydration, some electrolytes, and then hoped for the best. The next day, the next morning, he was standing, so that was promising. And now he's been kind of hanging out with his friends. He's been like super loopy these past few days, like walking into fences, getting tangled up in the electric fence. So we've had to like babysit him for the past 4 days basically, but today he has seemed pretty well normal mostly and hanging out with the other comrades, so that's positive. So that's been good. I have been walking up a storm. I got 21,300 steps so far today. Got like 25,000 yesterday. I've got the 50-mile march coming up end of this month in about 3 weeks, so I'm trying to get a whole bunch of steps in. I've pretty much committed to 20,000 steps a day minimum for the first 20 days in August. And I'll probably have a couple days deload leading up to the march, but got the 50-mile march to raise money and awareness for homeless veterans. So that's what I got going on this month. It's been kind of brutal though, like my feet are not conditioned for that many miles and just that much time vertical, so I've been trying to condition my feet for that, you know, figuring out what footwear I want to use, what gear I want to wear, stuff like that. So that's going to be good. We've been working on that. Other exciting news, there's lots of news. Crystal and I are going to film episode 700 of the podcast tomorrow morning, so I'm excited about that. We're going to rock and roll that. That'll be Friday's podcast, so it's pretty cool that we got 700 podcasts deep. Proud of that. But it's been total chaos from the business standpoint, which has made it become chaos from a homesteading standpoint and a training standpoint. Just total chaos in our lives right now. But that's the season we're in. We're embracing it. We're making the most of it. We're trying to take it one day at a time, which is all you can do. So there's my note for the day. But appreciate y'all tuning in. I apologize this vlog being as chaotic as it is, but I am truly wanting to commit to more consistent vlog style videos, and that means that we have to pump them out even if life is chaos, and that's just the reality of the situation. Once you commit, you do, and you make it work, because it's much easier to keep an object in motion. So that's what we're doing. We're staying in motion. We're staying in momentum, making some positive forward progress, hopefully. So that's a wrap. I will see y'all next time. Take care.